how do we actually take care of delivering the apps and technology that our new hires need to use?
Yep, sure. So, apart from hardware, I think timely provisioning of applications is also critical. We want all our new hires to have access to the systems they need from day one. And this animation here that Reina found for us is a beautiful summary of the complexities of apps provisioning. Um, and I think, Alex's lovely onboarding experience is actually a testimonial of how we overcome these complexities. Let me outline the challenges that we face. So first, how do we know which apps to provision, as these could actually differ by department, job role, and country? Two, how can we actually determine what access level the new hire should receive? And three, how can we ensure that apps are provisioned on time but not too early that it poses a security risk? So what we do at Workato is that once we enter the key information into our HRIS, namely the reporting manager actually receives a message via HR bot on Slack to check through and customize the apps and the access levels. And then our business technology team captures this information and schedules these apps to be automatically provisioned on day one. So automating this part of the process has been mission critical actually, because it allows our business technology team to check that we have enough licenses to provision and procure more if needed. The next slide here actually shows a screenshot of how our managers can easily select the necessary apps to be provisioned for our new hires using our HR bot. So, on the new hires first day, if more apps are needed or if access levels need to be changed, they can actually tap on what we call the firefighter bot to put in the request. And so, I think the impact of these automated workflows really allow our new hires like Alex to feel like they can jump in and start contributing within a few hours on day one.